In this tutorial, we'll show you how to teach your clients to meal plan for themselves. Providing your clients with a collection of hand-picked recipes and a blank plan is a great way to provide autonomy and put the power of meal planning into your clients' hands. Our features make this a seamless process for you and your clients. Start by creating a collection of recipes based on your client's needs. Head to the Recipes tab and apply your desired filters. For this example, I'm going to search for recipes that are sugar-free, beef-free, and grain-free. I'll start with breakfast and move my way to lunches, dinners, and snacks so my client has a variety of recipes to choose from. To add any recipe to your collection, click the icon with the 3 dots and select Add to Collection. If you haven't yet created your collection, click on Create Collection and name your collection. Then add the recipe to your collection. If you'd like to add multiple recipes to your collection at once, use our Select feature. Check all of the recipes that you'd like to add, or you can use the Bulk Select option at the top. Please note, Bulk Select will choose the first pages of recipes. You can scroll down to load more and then reselect Bulk Select at the top. Once your recipes are selected, click the Add to Folder icon. Choose the collection you'd like to add it to and then select Add. Once all of your desired recipes are added, you're ready to create a blank meal plan. Click on the planner and then select New and Blank. Give your meal plan a title and set any smart rules that apply. For example, we'll want to add our sugar-free, beef-free, and grain-free tags here, as we want to ensure that our client's recipe selection matches the rules that we set for them. Once your rules are set, create the plan. Now you're ready to add this blank plan with smart rules to the collection with the recipes. Select the icon with the 3 dots and select Add to Collection. Choose your collection and then select Add. Once your collection contains the recipes and a blank plan, click Share. Be sure to turn on Allow Edits and select any other share settings that you might need. If you'd like to provide a greeting or further instructions for your client, use attachments. Select Attachments from the top and click on New or Add Attachment. Select the type of attachment you'd like to create. For this example, we will create a welcome message that provides instructions on how to meal plan, so we'll choose Rich Text. Enter a name and input your message into the content area. If you'd like to choose from our already written snippets, select Apply From Snippet. Choose Templates and select the snippet you'd like to add. Then apply and customize the message accordingly. To save, select Create Attachment. If you'd like this message to be the first thing your client sees when they log in, be sure to pin this message by selecting the icon with the 3 dots and selecting Pin Attachment. Your client will be greeted with this message when they visit the shared link. You can also add one of our client-facing video tutorials to offer instructions. You can access this customer-facing video tutorial in the description below. Choose Link as your attachment type. Once your permissions and attachments are set, be sure to copy the link under the Details tab and share it with your client in an email or using your practice management software. When your client clicks the link, they will see the message you pinned, any additional attachments, the recipes you provided, and the blank meal plan. When they click into the plan, they can start to build it out with the recipes that you provided for them. If you'd like your brand color and brand icon to be visible throughout your shared links, be sure to update this within your settings. First, upload your brand icon. Go to Your Profile and My Business, and add a square icon image here. Then select your theme color by adding the hex code or selecting the color box and choosing an option from here. Be sure to select Save at the bottom. From there, click on Preferences and toggle on automatically apply icon and theme color when possible. Be sure to select Save at the bottom. Now, when you generate a shared link, your brand and icon color will be shared across all pages. As the practitioner, you'll be able to see what your client chooses to add to their meal plan, so you can provide additional guidance or feedback as needed. This is a great way to empower your clients and to teach them the skill of meal planning while providing them with meal ideas that meet their needs. You can continue to add new recipes and blank plans to this collection on a regular basis if you are working with a client over a longer period of time. This is also a great tool for client retention to keep clients engaged on a weekly or a monthly basis with new recipes and plans. And that's how easy it is to teach your clients how to meal plan.